arms. Each of the appendages has exactly the same thing in it. Okay, so we'll pop the top. How cool is that? This segmented structure is called a pyloric cecum or digestive gland. Now, on a lab practical, I might say, give me the technical term for this, because don't just memorize one thing. You know, this is a class of lots of synonyms. So you have to know pyloric cecum, also known as the digestive gland. And when I lift this up, there's going to be another structure you are responsible for. You have to admit, it's kind of wild that it can all fit into a given structure, right, like that. How compact is that? That's gonad right there. Pyloric cecum, and notice this appears to be segmented, and this is egg-like. This is gonad. Are we all right with that? Mm-hmm. Now, do you see these things that look like bubbles right here? Mm-hmm. If you can't see them, get to them. Yeah. Those are ampullae. What is the function of the ampullae? Mm-hmm. No. Water vascular system, remember, they are the little bulbs at the end of the podia. They contract and force water into the podia tube feet, and then the tube feet move. Remember, what are we talking about? The water vascular system. Water goes into the, what is this structure called? Madreporite. And then into what canal? Stone canal. Okay, so here we go. Into the stone canal. We believe that the stone canal got clipped. Just to show you what's going on, this is called the pyloric stomach, or just plain stomach. When they obviously open up a bivalve mollusk, like a clam or an oyster, and they've got the two valves open, that stomach everts, goes right down through the hole there into the clam or oyster. He digests it, and then all the goodies get absorbed. So that's the stomach, or what's called the pyloric stomach. Are we all right with that?
Pyloric stomach and pyloric cecum?
Right, two separate structures. There's the pyloric stomach, there's the pyloric cecum. What's that?
Gonads.
Gonads. Okay. So, ring canal, got it?
Yep.
I suspect the stone canal may have been attached right there. Stone canal, ring canal. Out to what canals under here?
Radial.
Out to the lateral, you're right, radial canals, because the lateral go that way. Lateral canals to the what?
Tube feet, podia.
Podia and then tube feet. So let's go through that again. What's that called? Madreporite or sieve plate. Goes to what canal?
Stone
canal.
To the
ring
canal.
Out to the
Radial canal.
out to the radial canals to the
lateral
to the
podia
to the
Tube feet.
tube feet. Are we all right with that?
I thought podia were tube feet.
That's the same thing. I want you to know the synonym, podia or tube feet. This is called the madreporite or sieve plate.
Okay.
I could say, here are the tube feet, give me the technical name, podia. Okay, are we all right with that?
Yes. Yeah.
All right, I'm going to keep that, and that will you please discard the rest. Do not throw pins.